PMP certification is the most popular and coveted project management credential, and it is estimated that a PMP certified professional gets a distinctive edge over their non-certified peers. The holder of a PMP in good standing could earn 10% to 15% more than a project manager without a PMP. Are you an aspiring project manager? The global demand for project managers is ever increasing. By 2027, employers will need around 2.2 million skilled professionals in project-related roles. There are more than 1 million PMP certification holders worldwide. Accelerate your career growth with PMP Preparation Course and join the league of the most sought-after project managers in no time. Considered as the gold standard of project management certifications, you will learn multiple project management skills in this advanced program, including creating a high-performance team, starting the project, doing the work, keeping the team on track, keeping the business environment in mind. Why should you consider Star Agile? PMP Preparation Course is developed by PMI and designed by global domain experts with over 2 decades of experience. The PMP Preparation Course helps learners prepare for the exam. You will get 35 hours of virtual instructor-led learning by PMI ATP instructors, exclusive access to PMI Digital Key for PMP Preparation Course material. You will have access to experiential learning through case studies and hands-on learning. We have global experts as instructors with more than 20 years of experience in the project management domain. You are entitled to get lifetime access to recorded sessions of training. You also get an exclusive complimentary 30-day study plan to crack the PMP exam. Get access to 4 PMP simulation exams, access to some spotlight videos during the workshop, PMP exam preparation pre- and post-class assessment. Forget all your worries with Star Agile's 24/7 learning support on all platforms, including WhatsApp, email, Zoom calls. We also have a 100% money-back guarantee policy if the course doesn't reach your expectations. What's more in the store? After you enroll in the PMP Preparation Course, you are entitled to application assistance with PMP application template, no interest payment plan. After the course completion, you will learn the successful application of processes, skills, methods, knowledge, and experience to attain specific project goals and objectives within the set scope, time, quality, and budget. You will successfully master the 3 primary project management domains, including people, processes, and business environment. You will be able to firmly apply predictive, agile, and hybrid approaches in the exam. The certification is best suited for project managers, team leads, team managers, associate project managers, software developers, project engineers, and anyone who wishes to pursue a successful career in the field of project management. What are you waiting for? Join today to learn the expert tips and tricks and crack the PMP certification exam in one go. Enroll now.